Oh, we love you guys. It's so cold out here. We really shouldn't be doing this. I need gloves, but Speed Week must continue, even in the snow. Welcome to RC Speed Week on the RC Sailors. What we're doing today is featuring the Pirates 2 Buggy. This is a brushless buggy, which is really awesome. And I think probably we're saving best for last for...
They don't know what's coming up next, but we do.
Part of Speed Week. Okay, tomorrow's gonna be crazy and random and exciting, but for now, we want to feature this really awesome ZD Racing, which is one of my favorite. Abby, you know this. I love ZD Racing stuff.
You do love ZD Racing.
Looks really sweet. That's freezing cold, so I don't know how long this video is going to be, but what we're here to do is see how fast this thing goes. We find that this whole taping it on the top thing works out pretty well, so that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'm freezing, so let's do this.
I think it dropped like 20 degrees since we started. The wind came through and it's killing us. Look at the trees, it's so cold looking outside, because it is.
While I'm trimming this up, you guys, I'd like to invite all of you to come over to our vlog channel. This Saturday, we're actually going to be live doing a kit crawler build. This will be our 4th time going live with that. Feels pretty good. Okay, I don't have to trim it up anymore, so this next pass should be full throttle. We'll have our vlog channel linked in the description box below, where you guys can join us live, hopefully by the warmth of the fire.
This Saturday.
You know what?
9:30.
I think yesterday's vehicle went faster.
That seemed kind of slow.
Yeah. That doesn't mean I don't like this.
But now you're gonna go with the wind, right?
This is into the wind.
Oh, okay, never mind. It's too
Come
cold.
on, airplane girl.
It's too cold to think.
Okay, one more. This is with the wind. I think this is the last pass we're gonna get here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna drive
That's
it.
full throttle.
I feel bad for you. You don't have gloves on.
I just want to make sure this switch isn't.
What's your guess? I guess 45 kilometers.
Faster.
45 kilometers an hour. That's my guess. Oh, look how close I was. It's 47. I'm so close to my guess.
I think that's like 35 miles an hour or something. You know, I'm trying to... I used to know the little conversion, but I don't anymore. Anyway, that's not bad. I'm sure this will be, that's like the perfect speed for bashing, you know? Because you don't necessarily want to like break everything going 50 miles an hour. That's a good speed for bashing. I honestly thought it'd be faster than yesterday's vehicle, just by the...
Because it's a buggy. Buggies just look fast.
Not that, just the brushless motor is a bit nicer, and like it's just a nicer vehicle. It's ZD Racing too, as opposed to the TheRcSaylors was a bit more generic. Anyway, I like it. That's how fast it goes. Guys, my hands are turning pink and red and I'm shaking, I'm cold. I should have brought gloves. That's the end of this video. If you want to support us, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. This content that you're watching right now, it's free for you. It ain't free for us. It costs gas to get out here. It costs batteries and chargers and all kinds of craziness to get this content out to you. So we would love it and appreciate any support you can send our way. We've got some really cool rewards over there. We should have RC Sailor gloves. That's what we should do. Okay. Yeah, my brain has stopped working. It's getting super cold.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.